Your engine works hard, but over time, harmful deposits build up, reducing power, efficiency, and drivability. These deposits form when additive components in fuel and oil undergo chemical changes under high temperature and pressure. This can lead to poor engine startup, reduced acceleration performance, and decreased fuel efficiency. It can also impact DPD, the system which traps harmful PM from the exhaust and burns them off during regeneration. If too much builds up, regeneration takes longer and happens more often, which can shorten the DPD's lifespan. Introducing ISUZU Diesel Injector Cleaner. Easy to use, just pour into the tank. While you drive, it cleans your injectors and restores the normal spray pattern. The result, fewer DPD regenerations, better fuel economy, and improved power. Especially recommended for stop-and-go driving in city traffic. Just one bottle every 10,000 kilometers keeps your system clean. Maintain optimal combustion and keep your engine performing at its best. Trust made in Japan quality. Trust ISUZU Diesel Injector Cleaner.